Welcome all of you students in my YouTube channel. I am Anil Patil. In last video we have seen the poem Indian Viewers by Sarojini Naidu. It is a very beautiful poem, and today we are going to discuss the appreciation of the same poem Indian Viewers by Sarojini Naidu. Students, from this year you are going to face new syllabus in HSC and in English subject. In your question paper, in question number 3B, there will be a question on appreciation of a poem. There are many points to be covered in an appreciation of the poem. I have put forth some of the points to be covered in an appreciation of a poem. Now let's see some of the points. The first point is about the poet, poem and title. The second one is theme or the central idea of the poem. After that, language or poetic style and poetic devices. The fourth one is special features from the poem. Another is message or moral value in the poem. The last one is your opinion of the poem. So students, these are the poem topics, these are the points to be covered in an appreciation of a poem. In Marathi, चालू शैक्षणिक वर्षापासून इयत्ता 12वी इंग्लिशच्या प्रश्नपत्रिकेमध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हा ॲप्रिशिएशन ऑफ द पोयम या घटकावरती आधारित आहे. आणि तुम्हाला हा प्रश्न जो 4 मार्कासाठी आहे त्यासाठी तुम्हाला एकूण 4 मुद्दे दिले जाऊ शकतात. त्या 4 मुद्द्यांच्या आधारे तुम्हाला त्या कवितेचं ॲप्रिशिएशन लिहावायचं असतं. ते मुद्दे कोणते बघा. पहिला मुद्दा आहे अबाउट द पोएट, पोएम, टायटल. पहिला मुद्दा आहे कवी, कविता आणि त्या कवितेचं शीर्षक. दुसरा मुद्दा आहे थीम, सेंट्रल आयडिया ऑफ द पोएम. थीम म्हणजे आशय किंवा त्या कवितेची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना. तिसरा मुद्दा आहे लँग्वेज म्हणजे भाषा किंवा त्या कवितेमध्ये वापरलेली पोएटिक स्टाईल, काव्य रचना म्हणा किंवा एक प्रकारची स्टाईल की प्रत्येक कवितेमध्ये जी वेगवेगळी असू शकते. आणि पोएटिक डिव्हायसेस त्यामध्ये अलंकार असतील, राईम स्कीम असेल किंवा रायमिंग वर्ड्स असतील. त्यानंतर स्पेशल फीचर्स म्हणजे त्या कवितेची खास अशी वैशिष्ट्ये. त्यानंतर मेसेज और मॉरल व्हॅल्यू, त्या कवितेतून कवीला कोणता संदेश द्यावायचा आहे किंवा ती कविता कोणता नीतिबोध तुम्हाला देते. शेवटी तुमचं त्या कवितेविषयी असणारं मत. So these are the points to be covered in an appreciation of the poem. या मुद्द्यांच्या आधारे तुम्हाला त्या कवितेचं ॲप्रिशिएशन लिहावायचं असतं. Now let us see the actual appreciation of the poem Indian Viewers by famous poetess Sarojini Naidu. Now let us see The first point about the poem title. Let us see about the poet. Indian Weavers is short poem written by Indian poetess Sarojini Naidu. She was not only a poet but also political activist and feminist. She was also famous as Nightingale of India because of lyrical qualities in her poem. So, Indian Weavers is a very short poem. There are only 3 stanzas in the poem, and each stanza contains only 4 lines. And Sarojini Naidu is poetess. She was poetess. She was not only poetess but political activist, feminist. So she had been played serious role in her career. She was poetess, she was feminist, she was political activist. She took active part in Indian freedom struggle, and the most important thing is she was called as Nightingale of India. The nickname Nightingale of India was given by Mahatma Gandhi to her because there is lyrical quality in her poem. So, सरोजिनी नायडू या एक प्रसिद्ध कवयित्री होत्या. त्याचबरोबर त्या स्त्रीवादाचा पुरस्कार करणाऱ्या व्यक्ती होत्या. त्या राजकारणामध्ये सक्रिय होत्या, ज्याने भारतीय स्वातंत्र्य लढ्यामध्ये सक्रिय असा सहभाग घेतला. त्यांना भारताची नायटिंगेल ही उपाधी महात्मा गांधी यांनी दिलेली होती, कारण त्यांच्या कवितेमध्ये एक प्रकारची मधुरता होती. दिस इज अबाउट द पोएट. नाउ लेट अस सी अबाउट द पोएम. Indian Weavers is a short poem. In this poem, the poetess talks about 3 types of garments that the weavers weave at 3 particular times of the day for 3 particular events in human life. Each stanza symbolizes 3 important events in human life. So, this is a short poem. In this poem, the poetess is describing that the weavers are preparing 3 types of garments. They are weaving 3 types of garments at 3 particular times of a day and 3 particular events in human life. म्हणजेच येथे भारतीय विणकर हे 3 प्रकारचे वस्त्र हे दिवसातील 3 वेळा हे माणसाच्या आयुष्यातील 3 महत्त्वाचे प्रसंग यासाठी विणत आहेत. Each stanza symbolizes 3 important events in human life. In this poem, 3 important events in human life are given. They are childhood, adulthood, old age. Means birth means childhood, marriage means adulthood, and death means old age. Now let us see about the title. The title and the poem is dedicated to Indian viewers because they weave variety of clothes. They have to weave according to the incident. So this is the poem which is dedicated to Indian viewers, their labor by the poets. They have to weave variety of clothes. So this poem is fully dedicated to Indian viewers. They weave variety of clothes tirelessly throughout the day. म्हणजेच ही कविता भारतीय विणकरांना समर्पित केलेली आहे. Now let's see the second point of the poem. Theme, central idea of the poem. The poetess describes three important stages in human life. Birth means childhood, marriage means adulthood, death means old age. The three different garments and three colors indicates three different modes of viewers. So the poem is about cycle of life. The poem depicts philosophy of life. So the poetess describes three important events in human life, that are birth, marriage means adulthood, and death. Three different garments and three colors indicates three different modes of viewers. So viewers are weaving three types of garments, which are three colors, and three colors indicates three different moods of the viewers. So each stanza describes different moods of Indian viewers. म्हणजे माणसाच्या आयुष्यामध्ये ज्या तीन स्टेजेस येतात, बालपण, तारुण्य आणि वार्धक्य, हे तीन कलरमध्ये आणि तीन वेगवेगळ्या मूडमध्ये हे इंडियन व्ह्यूअर्स विणत आहेत याचं चित्रण या कवितेमध्ये केलेलं आहे. म्हणजेच या कवितेमध्ये सायकल ऑफ लाईफ, जीवनाचे चक्र हे सांगितलेलं आहे. दिस इज द सेंट्रल थीम ऑफ द पोएम. नाउ लेट अस सी थर्ड पॉइंट, that is language, poetic style and poetic devices. The poem has used a very simple but sweet language. It is written in colloquial form. The poem is written in the form of questions and answers. The poetess asks questions to the viewers and viewers give answers to these questions. So the poem is written conversational tone between poetess and viewers. So the poem is written in simple language, but there is depth meaning under it. The poem is written in colloquial form. The poem is written in form of questions and answers. The poetess asks three questions to the viewers and viewers give answers to three questions. So in the poem there is a conversation between the poetess अँड द व्ह्युअर्स. ही कविता भारती विणकर आणि कवयित्री यांच्या संवादामध्ये लिहिलेली आहे. म्हणजेच संवादरूपी ही कविता आहे. Now let us see the major figures of speech are used in the poem. The major figures of speech are used in the poem are simile, metaphor, alliteration. Three colors are used here, which are directly compared with three events in human life. Parts of day is indirectly compared with three stages of human life. The lines has rhyming words and rhyme scheme is A, B, B in each stanza. So, या कवितेमध्ये सिमिली, मेटाफर आणि अल्ट्रेशन म्हणजेच उपमा, रूपक आणि अलिट्रेशन म्हणजे अनुप्रास हे महत्त्वाचे 3 अलंकार दिलेले आहेत. 3 colors are, 3 colors means the first color is blue, second color is purple and green, the third color is white, are directly compared with 3 events in human life. Parts of day means morning, evening and night are indirectly compared with 3 stages of human life. So, break of day is compared with birth. Evening is compared with adulthood. Night is compared with old age. So, simile, metaphor and alliteration, these figures of speech are prominent used by the poets. Rhyming theme is A, B, B in each stanza. Now let us see the special features of the poem. Imagery, philosophy, symbolism are the special features of the poem. The poetess painted picture of Indian viewers who view tirelessly at different times of the day. The poem has rich imagery like break of day, fall of night, moonlight, etc. Stages in human life: childhood, adulthood, old age are painted with 3 colors in 3 different moods. So, there is the imagery in the poem. The poetess painted picture of Indian viewers who views tirelessly at different times of day. The poem has rich imagery like break of day, fall of night, moonlight, chill. म्हणजे या कवितेमध्ये इमेजरी वापरलेली आहे. त्यानंतर फिलॉसॉफी ऑफ लाईफ सांगितलेली आहे आणि सिम्बॉलिझम. ही कविता माणसाच्या आयुष्यातील महत्त्वाचे 3 प्रसंग यांचे प्रतीक आहे, सिम्बॉलिझम आहे. Stages of human life: childhood, adulthood, old age are symbolism of morning, evening and old and night. Now let us see the 5th point, the message or moral value. The poem shows 3 particular time of a day to describe 3 stages of human life. 3 stages of life are inevitable and everyone has to face it. So, poem shows 3 particular time of a day. In the poem, there are 3 particular time of a day: morning, evening, night. Is used to describe 3 stages of life in human life, that are childhood, adulthood and old age. And 3 stages of life are inevitable. म्हणजेच या कवितेमध्ये माणसाच्या आयुष्यातील 3 स्टेजेस, 3 अवस्था ह्या दाखवल्या आहेत. आणि ह्या 3 अवस्था कशा आहेत? इनइव्हिटेबल आहेत, म्हणजे अनिवार्य आहेत. त्याचबरोबर प्रत्येकाला या अवस्थेतून जावं लागतं. म्हणजेच एव्हरी पर्सन हॅज टू गो थ्रू आउट दिस स्टेजेस. म्हणजे प्रत्येकाला या अवस्थेतून जावं लागतं. आणि हे कसं आहे? कंपल्सरी आहे, जे अनिवार्य आहे. देन वी आर मूविंग द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द appreciation, that is very important, my opinion of the poem. So here you have to give your opinion of the poem. Why do you like this poem? What are the points which are very passionate by you? म्हणजेच या कवितेमधील काही महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे की ते तुम्हाला का आवडले हे तुम्हाला इथं सांगायचं असतं. आय लाईक दिस पोयम बिकॉज इट इज रिटन इन व्हेरी सिम्पल लँग्वेज. इट इज रिटन इन फिलॉसॉफिकल टोन. 3 colors are used by the poet are apt for the occasion. So the poem is written in simple language, but it is written in philosophical tone. The philosophy of life is given in this poem. The 3 colors that are blue, purple and green and white, which are used by the poets are apt for the occasion. म्हणजे माणसाच्या आयुष्यातील महत्त्वाचे जे 3 प्रसंग आहेत, 3 स्टेजेस आहेत, त्यासाठी 3 कलर वापरलेले आहेत. ते 3 कलर कसे आहेत? अगदी योग्य आहेत. म्हणून ही कविता मला आवडते. सो स्टुडंट्स, वी हॅव सीन हाऊ टू राईट an appreciation of in a poem. I have tried best to explain the appreciation of the poem. I hope you will like my video. So I request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.